Welcome back, everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to book appointment. Okay, how you can book appointment with immigration officer. Okay, so this is how to go about it. I've already explained how you can get to this interface. Okay, so you come to passport.immigration.gov.ng. Okay, so and you come to this option here. You can see book appointment here. Can you see? So you click on book appointment. As you can see this interface here. Okay, so it said you should insert your application ID and your reference number, but because you don't have a reference number, you don't have application ID, I'll be showing you also in the class. I'll be showing you how to generate your own unique application ID and reference number. Okay, so but I'll be using one for this tutorial. But okay, let me paste it here. So this is application ID and this is reference number. Okay, so as you can see, I have the reference number, and you click on next. So once you click on next, okay, you can see you have an existing appointment. Click here to download. So if I click here, I'll be able to download the slip, appointment slip, but I'm not doing that here. So let me just explain how it works. So once you insert your own reference number and application ID, I already told you, I will show you how you can generate your own personal unique application ID and reference number. Okay, so once you insert your own, you'll be able to go to the next. As you can see, we have three options here. This is first option. Okay, this is first option here, and this is second option. As you can see, appointment slot. So this is appointment slot. This is where you will tell them the time and the day you want to choose. You already know your center availability, and we already choose the day that you want to go. So this is where you will now choose the day. But I advise you, we have morning, afternoon, and evening. Make sure you choose early morning, 9 o'clock, 9:30. Make sure you choose early morning. So, and also, once you insert your day and time, you'll be able to go to the next interface here. Okay, and once you click on it and you have set the appointment day, you have set everything up. Okay, you will see congratulations that your appointment has been booked successfully. Okay, so thank you. It's as simple as that. That is how you can book your own appointment. Thank you. If you have any question, let me know in my DM. Bye for now. God bless you. So also about the free class that you are learning this from, I want your honest feedback. If you learned something and if you get value in this session, okay, just come to my DM and I will genuinely appreciate your honest feedback. Thank you. God bless you. Bye for now.